punches. Shout out to all the day one friends that stuck with me.
And I say, hold up, I remember we was selling for us. Knowledge, sometimes I wish they could've told us that this the life we gotta live without a order. Boy, I can't wait to see my mama in a Rover. I know she wishing that I never had to grow up. Made a decision, got this chip up on my shoulder. Made a decision cause the weather's getting made a decision cause the weather's getting colder. Made a decision cause the weather's getting colder.
I'm Harlem. And I'm JJ. And we are your vibe police here at the Toa Samoa Fetsu Fan Day. Here in the heart of the hood, Logan City. Come check the vibe.
Silong pa singing Samoan 685 around the world, yeah. So let it be known. So let it be.
Who are your favourite players in Toa Samoa?
Say
JJ. Do you have any encouragement for the Toa Samoa team?
Give trusting to the Lord and then they will get to what they want to do.
We've just been told that we're gonna be going on stage. We're gonna go on stage and we're gonna go hella crazy.
Crowd in Kingston, more than 3,000 strong in a sensational show of Pacific pride. Fans of the emerging international football powerhouse were rife with energy and excitement for a rock star welcome.
So did you skip school for this?
Yeah. I didn't go to school once.
Samoans aren't quiet about who they love. They love Toa Samoa.
That love, loud, proud and absolutely undeniable. sea of blue cheered the names of treasured regulars and chanted those of the big-name recruits.
This reception will hopefully give Toa Samoa the extra edge when they come up against rivals Toga at Suncorp Stadium on Sunday.
This is real special, honestly. I think it just means a lot, and it just kind of gives you that more feel you need for the week.
Players ready for war. They won't be going in alone. Anna McGraw, 7 News.